Hello, everyone, and welcome to Nana's Easy AI. If you're new here, I'm Nana, and my goal is to make today's technology simple, useful, and completely unintimidating for our golden generation. Have you ever tried to read the tiny print on a medicine bottle, a restaurant menu, or a receipt and thought, I need a magnifying glass just to see this? Well, if you have a smartphone in your pocket or your purse, you already have the best magnifying glass in the world. It can zoom in closer than reading glasses, and it can even turn on a light in dark places. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find it and use it in less than 3 seconds. Now, you might think, Nana, I can just open my regular camera app and zoom in. And you can. But your phone has a hidden built-in magnifier tool made exactly for this. It keeps the image steady, blocks out the blur, and lets you freeze the screen so your arms don't get tired. Let's set it up together so it's ready whenever you need it. No more squinting and no more forgetting your reading glasses at home. Next time you're at the store or checking the mail, give this a try and show everyone how tech-savvy you are. We will do iPhones first, then Samsung and Android phones. iPhone users? Step 1. Open your App Store, the blue icon with the white letter A. Step 2. Tap the search bar and type in the word magnifier. Step 3. Now look closely at my screen. The store is going to show you a lot apps, but look for the one made by Apple. It has a simple white icon with a gray circle. It is 100% free and it has no ads. Step 4. Just tap the Get or Cloud button to download it. And look at that. It automatically places a beautiful, permanent magnifying glass button right on your main home screen, ready to use with one tap. Now, the Android method. If you have a Samsung, a Motorola, or a Google Pixel, let's try this. Should work for most of the phone this way. Step 1. Open Settings and go straight to the search bar at the very top. Step 2. Type the word magnifier, not magnification, which is different function. This will lead your phone to the right tool regardless what phone you have. Step 3. Tap on or open. Hard part of making this video is we all have different phones, so I tried to find the method that covers all phones. Actual process is very simple and easy. There are different ways to do, but this is easy and simple that works most of phones. And if you have Samsung, you can try this also. On my S26 newest and older model I have, this worked well. Step 1. Find a empty space on your main home screen and press and hold your finger down on the glass. Step 2. Look at the bottom of the screen and tap the button that says Widgets. It looks like a little four-square icon. Step 3. Scroll down until you see Magnifier. Step 4. Press and hold that magnifier. Once it's open, look at how amazing this is. See the slider bar at the bottom? Slide it to the right to zoom in. Look at how huge that text is now. If you are in a dark restaurant, tap the little flashlight icon on the screen to light up the paper instantly. And here is my favorite trick. Tap the big circle button in the middle. It freezes the picture. Now you can put the bottle down, sit back comfortably, and read the screen without your hands shaking. When you're done, just tap it again to clear it. No more squinting and no more forgetting your reading glasses at home. Next time you're at the store or checking the mail, give this a try and show everyone how tech-savvy you are. If this video made your digital life a little bit easier, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment letting me know if it worked on your phone and share it with a friend who might need it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here on the screen so you never miss our easy guides. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.
Learning